is going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to D Reads Heat, and today we are going to get into what is considered, arguably, could be one of the top 3 Jordan 1 releases of 2020, y'all. Now, before we get into everything, I just want to say I hope everybody had an amazing weekend. But I know Thursday and Friday was a struggle, y'all. It had a lot of challenges, but I do have 2 bags, okay? Which is going to be a bit of a story behind both purchases. Those stories you will have to wait until Rewind Wednesday to hear everything that went down. But let me just say this about the first release, okay? Wrong bag. So, as y'all can see, that says size 7, and it's a red box, right? Y'all, this is a women's release. So y'all already know I need an 8.5 in women's. But once again, I'm not gonna get into that story. So I am looking for somebody who can do a swap with me. So if you have an 8.5 in women's, please hit me up on this Instagram or hit me up on YouTube. Anyhow, I'm gonna hold out for a couple more days to see if I can get my personal size. But what we came here for, it came in this black box 4GS, okay, with the red Nike check. There's the size tag, and it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG GS. Official colorway is neutral gray, metallic silver, and that is that size 7, y'all. This particular release actually in the men's came out in that gray box. Y'all know how they do us, but it is what it is. So, yes. We have those Tokyos. Man, y'all. This is a fire sneaker, okay? Let me just say that. Like, undeniable. Actually, Mom Dukes, I'm gonna have to give a shout out to her. She came up with a major assist. She actually went out and got these for me in Indianapolis. So I have to give a shout out to her. She's the real MVP on this cop, okay? So let's put it in the mix, y'all. So before we get into this review, I know a lot of people are probably saying, D Reed, you had the sneaker since Friday, so why are we just now seeing this video on Monday? Well, I wanted to wait to drop this while we were in the office on Monday, because if anybody has paid attention to previous videos and seen my staff and also heard the story about how I copped the off-white 5s, then you would know that my friend on the staff, Abby, is a crazy sneakerhead as well, and she has had her eyes on this sneaker for a very long time. So have I, okay, but I feel like it is only right that I give her the only pair that I was able to secure this weekend. She has done a lot for me, and I feel like this gesture is a small token of my appreciation for everything that she's done. So she will be extremely surprised come Monday. She thinks we both got them. So until she actually sees this video, she won't know that I was not able to secure my own personal pair. So I'm just happy that she will be able to rock these, y'all. Now, getting into that outer sole, y'all. We do have a gray outer sole. As we move into the midsole, we get that white variation. Moving into that upper is when everything starts to get exciting, y'all. The different variations of materials and the different variations of the neutral gray and the metallic silver. So in the upper middle panel, as well as around the eyelets and around the toe box, we get a variation of that neutral gray, and it's going to be a suede material. Around the collar of the sneaker, we'll also see that same neutral gray in that suede material as well. Now when we get into the swoosh, we start to see the metallic silver, and that's going to actually be leather. So we also see a little bit of that metallic silver and leather poking out from the back of that heel. And then as we move up towards the collar, you also see it in that panel. But here's an exciting part right here for me, guys. That Jordan Wings logo, and is actually covered in a plastic, which is a clear plastic, which is pretty cool. Something different. We haven't seen that on any other Jordan ones this year, so I thought that was a pretty cool addition. And then as we move around to that toe box, we get that metallic silver again, and this is going to be leather, y'all. Let me take out this shoe tree. Looking at that toe box, that is metallic silver, and it's a leather. As you guys can see, not too bad. Okay, then as we move up the tongue, that's a tumbled leather, and that's neutral gray as well. We do get neutral gray laces. This sneaker does not come with multiple laces, so you only get one set of laces. And then we have that Nike Air stitched in gray at the top. As we move around to the medial side of the sneaker, it is pretty much identical with an exception of the Wings logo. It is not located on that side. And then as we move to the heel of the sneaker, that's when we get the full view of that metallic silver that is in leather. And like I mentioned before, we do get a bit of that suede up top here in the neutral gray. The sock liner is a nylon in there, and then it's all neutral gray, but on the bottom we get that CO.JP in that Jordan in white. Then on the back of the tongue, guys, you get that black tab with the red Jumpman, and then in white you have 2001 to 2020. I don't know where this will rank because, like I said, it's not a sneaker that will be staying in my collection. Hopefully I do get a chance on maybe a restock or so to cop a personal pair, but hey, as long as I can make somebody else's day, I'm happy with that. So we will not do an on foot. I will give her the honors of putting on the sneaker first. But shout out to anyone who was able to secure them a pair, guys. Dope sneaker. Hopefully sometime down the road I will be able to add it to the collection, y'all. So for everyone that is new and this is your first time stopping by D-Reet, welcome. To everyone who is returning, I appreciate you guys. We are on our way to 700 subscribers. So before we get out of here, guys, you know we have a couple things we need to do, right? Make sure you guys have hit that like button, and also make sure y'all subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I don't want y'all to miss out on anything, okay? There is going to be a great segment tonight of Coaches and Kicks, so that's something that you guys definitely should check out, because we will be getting the exclusive where he got kicks. So make sure y'all tune in. But until next time, y'all.